MC Hammer, MC Hammer. Michael Bloomberg, Michael Bloomberg. Burt Reynolds. More Burt Reynolds. Unbelievably macho tales of Burt Reynolds from his heyday. 254 of 1017 the best actors in film history. 90 of 310 the coolest actors ever. James Cameron. Harrison Ford. Harrison Ford. Clint Eastwood. Donald Trump. Donald Trump. Angelina Jolie. Angelina Jolie.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.